Welcome to the Kaizen podcast. Today I'm joined by Dr. Suchi, one of the dentists here at Kaizen Dental. Here together with Dr. Cam and Dr. Tesh founded Kaizen Dental. And before we start, I want to ask you, what was the main mission for this dental practice?
Dr. Ritesh, Dr. Cam and I have been working together as dentists for a long time. We knew each other way before we opened our first dental practice, Priority Dental, and we just love the way each other works and we share very similar ethos. And so really for us, we wanted a space where we can provide all-rounded, thorough care for our patients in a space which doesn't feel clinical, where we can break the sort of feelings of people who are scared to come to the dentist, who have white coat syndrome, where they get genuinely scared when they see like bright lights, white spaces, and those hospital feels that just send shivers down people's spine. And so we wanted to change that. And most importantly, we wanted a space where someone could come in and we could address their whole body along with their oral health, because your mouth is linked to your oral health and that isn't discussed enough.
What is the one thing that you want patients to feel when they leave the clinic?
When people leave or come to the clinic, I want them to feel a sense of calm. The whole point was, we love how we feel when we go to a spa. We feel so relaxed, like your senses just calm down. And scientifically, that is so good for reducing cortisol levels. And that's the feeling we want. We want someone to feel calm when they come in, and when they leave, we want them to feel calm, relaxed, healed, and just well looked after.
Kaizen isn't like a regular dental clinic. Like, it is so much. There is warm light, warm drinks, there is nature outside. Like, it is so different than any other practice.
That was something that was really important to us. When this place came to us, we thought, gosh, what do we love? What do people love about nature? So nature has a way of calming people, right? We know that when we go into nature, it can help to de-stress and reduce stress. So what better than putting somewhere where often people find things stressful in a place surrounded by nature, so that they can feel less stressed, and it has that immediate impact on them.
And I love how, like, in the surgeries there's like open windows, like you can see, like, you're not so focused maybe on the treatment sometimes, which can be scary, and it's just like you can relax, look at it, and it's beautiful.
Oh, absolutely. A really interesting thing that happened, I had a patient that came to see me who was so nervous of going to the dentist. They'd been to lots of dental practices and they just felt not heard, and they felt like their appointment was too rushed, and actually they came here and they were like telling me how they were going to feel. So I basically just took her to the balcony and to stand on that like edge and just look at the greenery, and I just said to her, a really smart science point that we know is that when someone focuses onto a wide horizon as opposed to one focal point, when they focus on a horizon, they start to calm down. So I just said to her, just look outside and just focus on the horizon. Just look outside and take it all in. Take a deep breath, do some like breath work, and then let's go back and take a seat. And it works every single time. And it's amazing that we can do that.
That is so
right
cool.
here.
You wouldn't expect that from a normal dentist, to take you outside and breathe the air.
Yeah, but it's
so
just
good.
simple, isn't it? But it works.
Yeah, and it helps.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.